Here's how I wash my car using a manual foam sprayer. No pressure washer needed. It's actually way easier than the 2 bucket method I posted a while back. Add a bit of car shampoo to the foam sprayer. Top it up with water and give it a good mix. Before you start spraying, you'll need to pump it manually. Around 20 to 30 pumps or until you start feeling the pressure build up. Once it's pressurized, spray the entire vehicle. Full coverage is key. You want that soap to lift the dirt before you ever touch the paint. Depending on how big your car is, you'll probably need to pump a few more times as you go. After foaming, I use a clean microfiber towel to wipe down the surface. Have a few on hand so you're not just spreading dirt around. This helps loosen grime without scratching the paint. With whatever's left in the bucket, I move on to the wheels. The used water and towels are perfect for that. No need to waste fresh ones. I rinse everything off with clean water to remove any leftover soap or residue. Finally, I use a chamois to dry the car. It leaves a clean, streak-free finish and helps prevent water spots. Don't forget the door jambs. A lot of people skip this part. And that's it. Simple, effective, and honestly pretty satisfying to do. Thanks for watching.